Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple cookie recipe that you can make with your little ones. So right here I have already mashed up 2 bananas. The recipe calls for 1, but I wanted to double it. You can also triple the recipe depending on how many cookies you actually want to make. So to this we're going to add in some oatmeal, and I decided to spice it up a little bit with some chocolate chips and walnuts, and also a little vanilla, just to add a little more flavor to it. And we're going to stir this all together, get it incorporated. Once it is all mixed together, you will place them 2 inches apart on a coconut oil greased pan for 15 to 17 minutes at 350. And that's it.